KaYoTom POC Radios. Replace CB and old radios with real nationwide coverage for free.
The KaYoTom POC radios with lifetime free service are rugged 4G LTE push-to-talk walkie-talkies that completely eliminate range limits and monthly fees. Unlike traditional radios that die at a few miles, these use nationwide cellular networks to connect you instantly from California to New York or even across countries, wherever there's cell service. Just unbox, power on, and talk. The lifetime free SIM is already inside, so there are no subscriptions, no activation fees, and no hidden costs ever. You get real-time GPS tracking, SOS emergency alert with location broadcast, and loud, crystal-clear digital audio that cuts through noisy job sites. Perfect for truck fleets, construction crews, farming operations, security teams, and family road trips.
KaYoTom POC radios deliver 5 game-changing advantages in one device. First, truly unlimited range. Talk 5,000 plus miles coast to coast or internationally with 0 dead zones as long as you have cellular signal. Second, lifetime free service. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, no overages ever. You pay once and talk forever. Third, a massive 3,000 milliamp hour battery gives you 72 plus hours of active use or 15 days standby with 50% charge in just 40 minutes via USB-C. Fourth, rugged IP67 and IP68 build survives drops, dust, and water, built for real job sites and overlanding. Fifth, advanced features like real-time GPS tracking, SOS alert with location broadcast, powerful strobe light, and smart group management let you coordinate entire fleets or families instantly. Truckers, contractors, and farmers call it the smartest upgrade they've ever made.
Before KaYoTom, a Texas hotshot trucker relied on CB radio, dealing with constant static, skip, and drivers disappearing past 20 miles. Switching loads across states meant silence or expensive phone calls. After getting KaYoTom POC radios, he now talks crystal clear to his entire fleet from Dallas to NYC with 0 fees. Another example, an Idaho logging crew used to yell on limited UHF radios and lose contact between canyons. Now every cutter, loader, and truck driver stays connected on one group channel, plus GPS shows exactly where everyone is. A construction company replaced 12 old Motorola radios, previously paying rental fees and losing signal between sites 200 miles apart. With KaYoTom, they save thousands yearly, and every foreman hears every word the first time, even in pouring rain. Real users, real results.
Traditional walkie-talkies max out at a few miles and require expensive repeaters. Zello and other apps still need paid plans for reliable service. Even premium POC brands like Enrico or Motorola Wave charge $10 to $30 per radio per month forever. KaYoTom POC radios destroy them all with genuine lifetime free service. Truckers who bought in 2023 are still paying exactly $0 in 2025. A 30-day cross-country test by an overlanding YouTuber proved it works everywhere T-Mobile and AT&T reaches, including remote Colorado mountains and northern Ontario. A fleet analyst compared it side by side with Iridium satellite PTT and declared KaYoTom the winner on cost and performance for any operation inside cellular coverage, 99% of the lower 48. Construction companies report saving thousands yearly after ditching rented Motorola systems. A logging operation in rural Idaho says coverage now reaches where no radio ever worked before. 4,000 5-star reviews and counting all say the same thing. The lifetime free claim is 100% legit.
Grab your KaYoTom POC radios, lifetime free, right now, and lock in unlimited nationwide communication with 0 monthly bills forever.
Prices are the lowest they've ever been, and stock sells out fast with truckers and contractors buying 2-packs and 4-packs daily. Click the link below, get yours today, and start talking coast to coast the moment they arrive. No setup, no fees, no regrets. This is the last radio system you'll ever need to buy. Order now and join thousands already saving thousands.